We're on location in Ancaster, Ontario, at one of my job sites. What brought me here was a very lovely family who recently purchased this home. Yes, they had a home inspection, and look what was missed. Not one, but two large cracks going from top to bottom. That's not nice. Home inspector here must have went through with his blinders on. Dealing with the builder has also been a trial for these homeowners. 2 years in the making. This, along with many, many viewers' emails, has prompted me to issue a three-way casting call. Number one, have you purchased a new home at any point in time and had nothing but a mile-long deficiencies list and a lot of arguments and a lot of issues with the new home builder? Number two, have you had a flood in your basement? Has maybe a windstorm blown the shingles off your roof and you've had to deal with your homeowner's insurance company's restoration contractor? And if it was a nightmare, if you had issues, again, contact us. Casting call number three. Have you purchased a new home, had a home inspection, and then found that many, many items were missed? Not only minor things, but major issues throughout the components of your home. If so, contact us. JustAskBob.com. Fill out a submit form and hit send for your chance to be on the Just Ask Bob show.